Today I will discuss with you how to set up the plan MRI of female pelvic organ. Now I set up the planning T2TSC coronal. So coronal plan will be on the sagittal and transverse images. Look here, this one is the sagittal image and this one is transverse image, and showing here the parameters. Now I change the distance factor right now, and now I check the sagittal image. Look this area, look here, and look at this area. Okay, now the coronal planning will be done, then apply. Now the next T2TSC transverse. So transverse plan will be on the sagittal and coronal images. Now look here, look. Okay, now check the transverse image and showing here the parameters. Now I check the coil. Okay, everything fine. Now apply. Now the next T2 sagittal image. So sagittal plan will be on the transverse and coronal image. Look here, it's an everything fine, and showing here the parameters. Now everything is fine. Now apply. Okay, now the next post contrast transverse planning. So just open post contrast protocol image and copy pre contrast transverse image. Now the apply. Now next T2TSC sagittal, T1TSC sagittal FS post contrast, and same way copy pre contrast sagittal image. And now the next T1 coronal, same way, just open and copy through. Okay, our planning almost done. Thank you everyone for watching my video.